So let's remember that we have hundreds, tens, and ones. Let's look at this bundle over here. Can you see there's 100 straws there? Can also look like 100 squares. In this bundle there's 10 and there's 10 squares and 1 straw, 1 block. How many hundreds are there? 1, 2, 3, 3 hundreds. How many tens are there? 1, 2, 2 tens. How many fours are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, how many ones? And there's 4 ones. So 324 gets made with 3 hundreds, 2 tens, and 4 ones, and together they make 324. Interesting, isn't it? Next page. Here we see a couple of different hundreds being made. You see there that there is the hundreds, there is the tens, there is the ones. Let's compare these numbers. Here's 300s, here's 500s, there's 300s. Which one of those three is the biggest? Yes, the 5 is the biggest. So which one of these is the biggest number? This one is the biggest number. Now, can you see which one is the biggest number from the two threes? No, teacher, 3 and 3 is exactly the same size. So let's go look at the tens. This one has 7 tens, this one has 0 tens. So which one is bigger? The 7 is bigger. So we have 371 being in second place, and then 306 is lonely number 3. So the smallest number is 306, and the greatest number is 525. This means greater than, this means smaller than. Because the crocodile eats the number that's the biggest, or the fish. And you see. Now let's look at 3a. 3a says there is 1, 2, 3 blocks of what? Yes, hundreds. And 1, 2, 3, 4 tens, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So we have 345. Now what is one more than 345? So then we're going to add one more to the ones, yes? So now we have 346. And the next one asks, what is 10 more than 300? Where are we going to add? To the hundreds, to the tens, or to the ones? We are definitely going to add to the tens. So we add one more. So then we have 355. The next one is 100 more than 345. 100 is here by the 3. So we add 100 block. And now we have 445. The same goes for less. One less, so we take away 1, so we only have 4. 344. Sorry. And then 10 less, take away 1, then we have 3. 335. And then here they ask for 100 less. So take away 1 block, so we're left with 2. 245. And then the last question here wants to know, What number is 20 more than 476? So now we have 4 hundreds, 70 tens, and 6 ones, and they want to add 2 tens. That's 20, right? So which one are we going to add to? The 4, the 7, or the 6? The 4, the 7, or the 6? 476. We're going to add to the 7 because that is our tens. 2 tens plus 7 tens is 9. So our answer there is 496. And then we have the next one. What is 50 less than 691? 50 is 5 tens. So do we take it from the hundreds, the tens, or the ones? Definitely from the ones. We take away how many? 5. 9 take away 5 is 4. So we have 641. Easy peasy. Lesson 1. Hundreds, thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones. You will learn to read and write numbers within 10,000, write 4-digit numbers in thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones, and identify the value of digits in numbers. Compare and order numbers within 10,000. So these are easy. 10 ones equals 110 or 10 blocks. Can you see that? 10 tens equals 100 marbles or 100 squares. 100 10 100s equals 1,000, and 1,000 marbles is the same as 1,000 square. And then here's our first big number, 2,135. There's 2,100, 3 tens, and 5 ones. You see, if you write them, 1,000 plus 1,000 is 2,000. Can you see that? 100, easy. 3 tens is 30, and 5 ones is 5. And you just slip them next to each other, and we have 2,135. Easy peasy. We can also count them while we are... See? So you count it like this. 1,000, 2,000, 2,100, 2,110, 2,120, 2,130, 2,131, 2,132, 2,133, 2,134, 2,135. So we know that all of this makes 2,135. And that's how you read it, 2,135. Easy peasy. This one is 1, 2, 3,000, 3,100, 3,200, 3,270, 3,274. As simple as that. Now we're going to do this exercise. Fill in the missing numbers. What is the missing number by 1A? 1A is 2,000. And how many hundreds? 0 hundreds. How many tens? 1. No, teacher, 4. How many ones? 5. So that's 2,045. And then B, how many thousands is there? 1. How many hundreds is there? 3. How many tens are there? 0. How many ones are there? 7. And then the next one, how many thousands are there? 4. How many hundreds are there? 2. How many tens are there? 5. How many zeros are there? Sorry, how many ones are there? 0. And then you're going to write these numbers. Read it. What does that say? 3,657. 3,657. And the next one, 6,901. 6,901. How many tens is there? None. 1,080. All right. 1,080. 0 hundreds, 0 ones. We're going to then write these numbers in words. That's quite easy. It's 2. No, don't write it like that. Hi. I'm recording. So then it's 2,516. 5,038. And then you're going to do counting on 5,998, then 5,999, then 5,999 plus 1 is 6,000. 6,001, 6,002, 6,003. Then there's 7, 8, 9, so we know they're counting in ones. 6,007 minus 1 is 6,006. 6,009 plus 1 is 6,010. 6,010. Then 11, 12 fits, right? This one's counting in ones and this one's counting in ones. And it says here that you need to do chapter 1, exercise 1 in your books. So finish that before continuing to the next video.